Hello again, folks. It's Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and I have kind of an unusual unit to demonstrate today. This unit has no faceplate. The customer apparently is sending it off to be re-chromed or something of that nature. Now, this radio was working fine when it was sent, and he just wants an MP3 input attached to it. So this will be a very quick test because everything's already working, so there's nothing to really prove. So we'll just run it down a few FM stations just for fun. And as you can see, it's
protected the Lord from rule.
Okay, so we got our FM. Let's switch it over to AM.
That's fine. We're going home.
And there's the one strong station we get. And there's one coming in around 1400. And there we are. Okay, and so only thing left to test, let's get our output level meters into the picture here. And we're going to work our front rear fader. Take it to front speakers.
After we did, because he knew I needed some courage to get up.
You think he wasn't trying to wipe it off?
Okay, front,
well, we'll see.
rear,
More
front,
rain. It's still
rear, and now we're going to work our balance control
I
left
think it was to give me courage.
and right.
That did
Okay,
the very
everything
first
back to
day
center.
I went out and I took a whole bunch of
Okay,
steps
and
to
the
look
only
like
thing
I
left
was
to
doing
test
it.
is
I
the
knew what I was
auxiliary
doing. I
input.
was voice
And
over.
for this,
important too, though.
we'll get less noise since
Hello.
this radio won't. The original circuitry won't switch from the radio to the aux input. The aux input simply overrides the radio signal, so any noise in the radio signal may be evident. So what we're going to do is switch it to AM, where we have really hardly anything between stations, and then we'll be able to hear this tone better. We're just going to feed a quick test tone into both sides. Okay, there's the left side, and there's the right side, and we can probably find a quieter spot on the dial too. And also, we are only getting music on the right side, so the left side's not being drowned out. So that's why you might still be hearing some of the static noise. Okay, that's more what you can expect using both channels. Although it's only on the right side right now, but that's what you can expect from both channels when you have an auxiliary input with on a quieter spot on the AM dial. So let's go ahead and switch this back to FM. Get rid of the line input. Back to FM, that is. Just one last test of the radio function. Okay, now we get all 4 speakers. Alrighty, and that completes the test. Everything's working properly. She's ready to go back to the customer. I'm ready to get on the next job. This is Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. If you have an 8-track player for either home or car use in need of service, you can send it to me for professional service. Needless to say, if you have a classic car AM radio that you would like converted to FM and add even possibly Bluetooth, USB, line input, all that cool stuff, you can reach me for those reasons too. My phone number is 928-533-9666. My website is in the description below. Thank you very much for watching and listening, and we'll see you next time.